All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So enter. Enter. To go into something. Yeah, we will enter the room. I entered the cave. We entered it alone. Alone, by ourselves. How are they going to enter the vault? The vault. Yes. We should not enter through that way. We shouldn't go through that way. No way. Yeah. He entered it with me. Which door should we enter? Indeed. Indeed. Which door should we enter? We are entering this one. We are entering this one. Yeah. Entering, happening now. I am entering the office now. We are entering it together. Together. Yeah. They will be trying to enter the hall tomorrow. Tomorrow now, instead. We will enter it on Monday. Yes, we will go inside on Monday. They want to enter it tomorrow. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorer? Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, so enter. Enter. Yeah, to go in something. Enter the door. Enter the office. Enter the room. Enter the country. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, can you use enter in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanshev. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.